Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Claude to convert PDFs into structured data, such as JSON and CSV. If you've ever needed to extract information from a PDF and organize it into a format that can be used in spreadsheets, databases, applications, or automation tools, Claude can make the process much easier. Instead of manually copying information from page after page, Claude can analyze the contents of a PDF and help transform that information into structured data that is easier to work with. The first step is to open Claude and upload your PDF file. You'll find the File Attachment button near the message box. Click it, browse to the location of your PDF, and upload the document. Depending on the size of the file, Claude may take a few moments to process it. Once the upload is complete, Claude will be ready to analyze the contents. Before converting anything, take a moment to understand the type of information contained in the PDF. Some PDFs contain tables, while others contain invoices, reports, forms, research data, product catalogs, or survey results. Identifying the type of data you're working with helps ensure that the information is extracted and organized correctly. Next, have Claude examine the document structure. This is an important step because PDFs are often designed for reading rather than data processing. Claude can identify sections, tables, fields, headings, and other elements that may need to be converted into a structured format. By understanding how the information is organized, Claude can create cleaner and more accurate output. Once the document structure has been identified, move on to the data extraction phase. Claude will read the relevant information and begin organizing it into a structured format. If you're planning to use the data in applications, databases, or APIs, JSON is often the preferred format because it stores information in clearly defined fields and values. If you're planning to work with spreadsheets, CSV is usually the better choice because it organizes information into rows and columns. When working with tables, it's important to ensure that row and column relationships are preserved. Claude can identify table layouts and convert them into structured records, making the data much easier to sort, filter, and analyze later. This is especially useful for financial reports, inventory lists, research results, and business documents. After the conversion is complete, spend a few minutes validating the results. Check that important fields are present, verify that numbers and dates have been extracted accurately, and look for missing records or formatting inconsistencies. This quality check can save a lot of time later, especially if the data will be imported into another system. For very large PDFs, consider processing the document in sections rather than all at once. Breaking large files into smaller parts often improves accuracy and makes it easier to review the results before combining everything into a final dataset. By uploading your PDF, analyzing its structure, extracting the information, organizing it into JSON or CSV, and validating the results, you can quickly turn unstructured documents into clean, usable data with Claude. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.